Vincent here with 271 Honda Performance, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to set up Race MAF calibrations for your L15 Honda Civic. I'm going to walk you through how to do it utilizing the Hondata Flashpro and how to use it via the KTuner V2. It's so easy, couple of steps, you can do it from the comfort of your home. So let's dive right in and see what it looks like. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to set up the Race MAF calibration using the Hondata Flashpro Manager. Very easy. You're going to go ahead and click on New Calibration. Click your model and your vehicle. In this example we have the Civic Si 2017 Plus, but do note this will work on any of the L15 Plus Honda Civics. We're going to go ahead and click the 271 91 octane turbo map. Again, any of these calibrations will work. The 271 map is just an example. Click OK. The next screen you'll see is modifications. You're going to see two options: intake system for 271 cold air intake and 271 cold air intake Race MAF. So just like it sounds, you have a 271 intake street MAF, click that one. 271 Race MAF, select that one. Hit the checkbox and close. From here you can now tune, finish the rest of your calibration, save the file, and then upload, and that's it. You have successfully scaled the Race MAF on the 271 cold air intake system. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and look at the KTuner and how to set up the Race MAF calibrations from there. Starting from the top left, File, New Tune. Go ahead and select your vehicle. Again, in this example we're using a 2017 Plus Civic Si. Calibrations. We're going to go ahead and just select one of these starter maps. Hit next. Alright, once that opens up, you can then go to the layout on the left side. You're going to see here is all of your maps and options. Go ahead and click Main Parameters. Click MAF Scaling. And then you'll see MAF Quick Calibration. And you'll see at the very bottom, 271 Race MAF Calibration. From there, you have now set up the Race MAF calibration. You can go ahead and complete any of the other tuning or changes that you need. Hit save, upload, and then you are done. And just like that, you have now successfully set up the Race MAF scaling for your 271 80mm system. So tune, enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.